Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers 1 to 13. Kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids, again use red color and draw 3, T H R W 3. The numbers of 3. Kids, neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use yellow color. F O U R 4, 5, the numbers of 5, F I V E 5. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 6, the numbers of 6, S I X 6. Kids, neither 7, the numbers of 7, and use green color. S E V E and 7, 8, the numbers of 8, E I G H T 8, 9, the numbers of 9, N I N E 9. Kids, again use green color and draw 10, the numbers of 10, T E and 10. Kids, neither 11, the numbers of 11, and use blue color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids, again use blue color and draw 13, the numbers of 13. 14, the numbers of 14. Kids, neither 15, the numbers of 15, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 16, the numbers of 16. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids, neither 18, the numbers of 18, and use white color. Kids, neither 19, the numbers of 19, and use red color. 20, the numbers of 20. Kids, again use red color and draw 21, the numbers of 21. Kids, neither 22, the numbers of 22, and use yellow color. 23. The numbers of 23. 24. The numbers of 24. Kids again use yellow color and draw. 25. The numbers of 25. Kids now 26. The numbers of 26 and use green color. 27. The numbers of 27. Kids now 28. The numbers of 28 and use blue color. 29. The numbers of 29. Kids again use blue color and last to 30. The numbers of 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.